Hello, yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm kind of Rhymes, co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my new episode. Yeah, so let's talk about this. But note, if you know you want to insult me in your head. If you try insulting me in my comment section, I'll also insult you. That's it. Yeah. So let's start from the top to the down. So the top one is, yeah. Wodemaya and Miss Trudy recently visit Uganda and they claim they got Motor Escort, surprise Motor Escort. But I'm here to prove it to you that they faked that Motor Escort. I know a lot of Wodemaya fans will be angry, insulting me, but I'll be okay with it because I'm here to tell you the truth. Yeah. So, do you know Miss Trudy and Wodemaya have been in Uganda for several times? Yeah. So last month, they visited Uganda and make sure they passed some comments that made Ugandan people angry, and they came out with demand and mystery on Twitter and on all social media platforms. Yeah, so that means they were thinking that, oh, nah, maybe we have left a bad legacy in Uganda and it's time for us to erase it. So, as a businessman or woman, you have to be smart. So the best thing is let's try and create some tension so that to erase all the negative thoughts they have about us, and we will plant this good thing in their mind so that they can also be saying, oh, but these people they still have love in Uganda. Yeah. So they try to visit Uganda again, and this time they said they got love from Uganda people because they came with a lot of motor to escort them to Uganda. And this is scam. This is fake. This is not real. Yeah. Because they know that, because like they have been in Uganda for several times without this escort. So why today? Why today? Why this escort? Because recently when they visited Uganda, they left with bad bad like let me say bad energy. Yeah, so it's time for them to plant the good energy in them. So if you want to plant this good energy in me, you have to try to create some tension that will be conversation in a time. Some people will be saying, oh, like they're not good. They'll say, oh, no, they are good because they still have love in Uganda. See that then? So as a businessman, as Wodemaya and Mystery, they just plan all this thing because no one knows you are coming to Uganda. At least you tweet about it, and it's not the first time you're tweeting about you coming to Uganda. And you didn't get any escorts. So why today? Because they want to create something to erase all the bad names or the bad thoughts Uganda people have for them. That's why they created this escort like they are surprised. Now I don't envy Wodemaya. I'm not just about Wodemaya, but the thing is, like, yo, we all watch videos, yeah, and we all know things, how things are going, and we are all into business, so we know business strategies and things. This one is business strategy. Yeah, they created that Motor Escort. They created it. They created it. I'm not afraid saying this. They created that Motor Escort. They paid them to come to escort them. They pay them. So if you know someone who escorts Wodemaya, just visit that person individually. Talk to him. Like the person will speak everything out. Yeah, person will speak everything out. I'm saying the truth. So I'm going to tell you that with the Maya and Miss Trudy visit to Uganda is on purpose, for like they are there to erase all the bad stuff they left over there, and people were coming against them. So it's time for them to do what? To erase that bad things and replace it with good things. That's why they did that. That's it. So that escort, people are saying, yo, they still get love in Uganda, they still get love in Uganda. They are all fake. They fake that thing. They pay them to escort them. They pay them to escort them so that people will be saying that yo, they still get love in Uganda, this. But they pay them to escort them. That's the right thing. That's the right thing. Yeah, they pay them to escort them. They didn't came there like just because of like Wodemaya is in town. No. Wodemaya paid them, and they came there. At times, less as like you're an artist and you want to visit some place. The people in there, like let me say your promoters in that particular place, will arrange escorts for you. That's how it is. It is what it is. That's how it is. Yeah. So the second thing is people should stop comparing Ayamare and Wodemaya. Ayamare, Wodemaya and Ayamare are two different things. Ayamare, what Ayamare is doing is different from what Wodemaya is doing. So don't think that they are in competition. They are not in competition. Ayamare focus is to create something great for his village, for the lifestyle of his village people, to create connection between his village and the Western world. Wodemaya is just projecting Africa on the map. So they are all two different things, doing their own thing to support Africa. Ayamare too is projecting Africa on the map because, like, he tried to represent Kenya everywhere he goes. So, and Africa in everywhere he goes. So they are all doing their own thing, different things. So stop comparing them. Wodemaya is good in his own thing. Ayamare is good in his own thing. They're all they are different corner. So stop comparing them. Don't say that you love Wodemaya, so you have to hate on Ayamare. You love Ayamare, so you have to hate on Wodemaya. Me, if Ayamare do something bad, oh, I have to talk about it. But I love him. I love Wodemaya, but I love Ayamare more than Wodemaya. That's them. That's me. That's my choice. But that doesn't mean I have to talk about. I have to talk dirty about Wodemaya. You can check my videos. I've done videos talking good about Wodemaya. So stop saying that I hate Wodemaya and things. Stop saying this because, like, you can check all these YouTube reactors. You will not see any reactor from Western Africa talking good about Ayamare. But meanwhile, Ayamare is also doing good. That's you not see the majority of South African reactors talking good about Wodemaya, but Wodemaya is doing good. So we should not compare them. We should not talk about them. They're all two different content creators trying to project Africa on the map, and they're doing their own best thing to project Africa on the map, and we have to appreciate it, support them, push them to the higher heights. We are not against anyone over here. We are saying the good thing, and the good thing must be what? And the good thing must be what? Must be talked about. Yeah. So these are the things, like, cause like there's no way you have to what compare Wodemaya to Ayamare. There's no way you have to compare Ayamare to Wodemaya. They are two different creators, two different content creators doing their own thing to support Africa, to push Africa on the map. So we have to respect their opinions. Yeah, because like opinions are like onions. Everyone has one. So your opinion is not my opinion. That's it. So we have to respect them, appreciate the work they are doing, and push them with what we have. You have to support them 24/7. Yeah. So we shouldn't compare them. Shouldn't compare them like all these reactors talking bad about Ayamare, talking bad about Wodemaya. They're all angry reactors. Yeah, because they think that, oh, I'm in South Africa. South Africa to hate Wodemaya, so I have to talk bad about Wodemaya so that I'll get more views. I'm in Western Africa. Western Africa, a lot of Western Africa hate Ayamare because of the good things he is doing, and people think that Ayamare is in competition with Wodemaya. So let me hate on Ayamare, and these are all silly. These are all silly. I'm in Western Africa. That doesn't mean I should hate Ayamare and like Wodemaya. Nah, nah. So if I'm doing my reaction and you don't like it, don't comment. Don't comment. Don't comment. If you comment bad, me too, I'll reply with savage reply. I'll reply savagely. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching me. If you know you like this, be here same time tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for me. The next one the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm out.